In the heart of the Abagusii land, where the hills kiss the sky, a vibrant community gathers for a traditional dance ceremony. Here, amidst the rhythmic beats of drums and the vibrant swirl of colors, Nyaboki meets Omwoyo. Their eyes lock, and a beautiful love story begins. Nyaboki and Omwoyo's love blossoms, leading to a grand traditional wedding. The air is filled with laughter, music, and the sweet scent of celebration. Together, they build a life grounded in love and respect, embraced by Omwoyo's family. But life's course is unpredictable. Omwoyo falls gravely ill and passes away, leaving Nyaboki in a world turned upside down. The community grieves, but for Nyaboki, the loss is profoundly personal and devastating. In the wake of Omwoyo's death, tradition dictates that Nyaboki must marry his younger brother, Nyakundi. This practice, known as wife inheritance, places Nyaboki in a painful dilemma between honoring tradition and pursuing her own freedom. As if the weight of tradition isn't enough, Nyaboki faces another battle. Mzi Mogaka insists that Omwoyo's property should stay within his bloodline, denying Nyaboki her rightful inheritance. Kemunto, her supportive mother-in-law, stands by her side, advocating for her rights. With Kemunto's support, Nyaboki decides to challenge the traditions that oppress her. She seeks help from local women's groups and legal advisors to claim her rightful inheritance and rejects the practice of wife inheritance. Her determination grows stronger each day. Nyaboki emerges stronger,